Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing tools. Take a brush and a shovel, plus a few maps or compasses so you won't lose orientation. Head to desert or Badlands biomess because those spawn archaeological sites more often. Once there, look for uneven sand or gravel patches around ruins and temple remains. These subtle indicators show where blocks may be hollow. Begin gentle excavation with the shovel, exposing clay and stone carefully so you don't destroy fragile artifacts below. You now focus on the excavation technique. Clear surrounding blocks first, then brush any colored pottery fragments you find because brushing preserves the shard. Make sure to clear one layer at a time. If you rush and break blocks, you risk losing pottery. Once shards appear, collect them and note their pattern. Transitional steps include cataloging shards in your inventory and marking the area with torches or banners. This helps you return and assemble the full item later, without confusing multiple dig sites. You finish by combining shards. Place 4 matching pottery shards in a crafting grid to form decorated pottery. This is why careful identification matters. Once assembled, store items in labeled chests so you can track provenance and compare patterns. If something goes wrong, like shards disappearing, check your game mode first and disable any item despawn mods. Also make sure you aren't inadvertently breaking shards with explosives or water. Finally, retrace recent steps and re-examine the dig square. Mistakes are usually.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.